We tell magical stories, and our stories have the power to change the world. It's never been more important. It's not even a second thought for rangatahi and kura Māori to think, I want to, be a poet, I want to be an artist, or I want to be a filmmaker. They can't second guess themselves because it's right there for them to access. We're starting to be recognised in spaces now as indigenous people. I think that's what we need to keep doing, is keeping those doors open, keep telling magic stories, keep being magic people. All Māori are born creative. I also don't think that just applies to Māori. I think that applies to ngā tangata taketake e huri noa i te ao. And I also think that creativity can be applied to life in so many ways.
From a young age, we used to make skits at home, taking photos of family events. I grew in that space. Living in Ōtaki when the Māoriland Hub was made, I joined our rangatahi leadership team, ngā Pakeaka, and I got to mix and mingle with other creatives. From there we made our own stories and our own films, and it just grew on me.
I feel like just being Māori and being able to be a creative is enough, no matter what kind of medium you find yourself in. For me, I really like rapping because I get to go deeper into my storytelling. I feel like it just makes it real hearty. We're still a very young indigenous race, and even though we are one of the youngest, we're considered ahead of the rest of the world, and I think that's something that we should grasp and run with and make the most of.
It really helps everybody in Aotearoa see what us rangatahi Māori can do, how this generation coming is the generation that's going to pave pathways for so many more rangatahi around Aotearoa.
We run workshops at the hub. E taia ana ngā tauira o te kura, kia tomo mai ki nei kuaha i Māoriland me tiki, he wāhi tēnei māku. He whare auaha tēnei māku, he whare kōrero tēnei māku. Oh well, ki te hoi, ki te kamera.
I give you my camera, go out and just shoot any free events that are coming up, any kaupapa Māori events that are coming up, because that is the best way to learn.
Being supportive of your friends that are trying to be creative and do something new. So the more supportive you are, the more likely they're going to keep going.
Ko te reo, te take.